corruption is not only about peddling money. People believe that, stealing government money is what constitutes corruption. I dare to say that corruption is failing to do what you ought to do. If you walk into an office and you meet a messenger sitting on his table and looking at you, and I've experienced that, they will look at you eyeball to eyeball. They will not say anything to you. Sometimes, if I veer into an office with a police orderly, the messenger can greet, "Oh, officer, welcome, please sit down." Me, I'll be standing up and be looking at them. I've experienced that several times. Then you start begging, "Please, I want to see Oga," or so. He said, "Well, there's a way you can see Oga now, it's not just like that, Or when you go to an office and you come out, they expect that you should put your hands in your pockets. Me, I carry my handbag. If they don't see me opening my bag and looking for something, they will not say, "God bless you, ma." Or if I give something, they will look. How do we qualify this? It is thank you very much, God bless you, ma, God bless you, ma. There is emphasis depending on the amount you give. All of this is corruption. Maybe at little, but that is how it starts. So I had a similar experience with the Honorable the Attorney General when we traveled, and the Court of Appeal, we were having breakfast. So this young guy was very, very attentive. He was attending to us curiously, committedly. So when we finished, I looked for the smallest change in my pocket in the currency, and I gave him. I said, "This is for you, it's just for you." He said, "No, ma, I have to report it because we all have to share it." And I said, "Oh my goodness, I wish this were like this in Nigeria." I believe some people do that, some organizations practice that in Nigeria. Then I would like to say that we Nigerians are trying our very best. We are doing well. We are not as bad as people, we Nigerians, make ourselves appear. And I know we can be better. I commend this effort of the chairman because now we have something to refer to. Before, when you hear of ICPC, you start wondering, we confuse ICPC and EFCC. We do not know what are their roles, and the police and the NFIU and so on and so forth. But now we have a document from ICPC stating clearly what is their mandate, what are their aspirations. It is left for us to key into their aspirations for the development of our great nation, Nigeria. We are a great nation, we are a great people, we are a wonderful people. And everything that we're experiencing now is not peculiar to Nigerians. We were at a conference some few weeks back in the UK, and one of our speakers the white man, was trying to make a call. He couldn't. I said, "Oh, it must be network." And I said, "Wow, so they have network problems also. Thank God." Some of my colleagues were there. I said, "Thank God, they also have network problems." So please, let's love our nation. Let's join hands where we have documented for us the aspirations of the office, of the government, or whatever organization. Let us take time and look at it. If you fail to report a misconduct, you are aiding corruption. If that misconduct has to do with corruption, if you are impatient, you want to buy your way through a queue, you are aiding corruption, because it's a corrupt person who will aid you to move fast and ignore. There is a price for fast track. If you are traveling by air and maybe you are traveling by business or first class, there's fast track for you. So if you want to go fast track, make an appointment, keep to the time. And if you keep to the time and you demand to know why your time is up and you have not been called up, we will strengthen people up, and people will learn to respect time and their words. Those are the ways we can curb some of these malaise that is, killing our nation. But God forbid, nobody can kill our nation. We shall grow from strength to strength. I therefore congratulate the Honorable Chairman, and I wish you all the best. And I assure you that we shall continue on our part, the Court of Appeal, to support you in whatever way we can to bring our nation up to where it really belongs. Thank you very much.